Welcome to another video, and today we will talking about what we are discussing in the last video. So here we can see that Bitcoin has here on the daily chart trading in this rising wedge and broke out of the rising wedge at yesterday's day. And now the question is this only a fake out? And we are turning here with this first green candle of today inside our rising wedge and see higher prices to the upside, or will this be the bounce back to the upside and we see a retest and going to our price target of 18,000 or 19,000 US dollars. So I also want to point out one chart I found on Twitter, so definitely check this video up to the end. But first let's start with the 4-hourly chart. So here on the 4-hourly chart we can see here that we are getting little close to our rising wedge, and also the RSI is pointing out that we can see a new sell signal over there. So that means that the signs are looking not that bullish for the short term. When we are looking also on the 1-hourly chart, we can also see the same thing, that we have already seen this sell signals over there, and we see very close that we are not far away from our sell signal. So that was just a 1% to the downside. So that means that we also can see definitely the next price targets would be all around here. So if you also want to trade this move, I will definitely more bearish in this pattern, because when we are looking here at the 1-hourly chart, we see here that we have seen this breakout to the downside. We have this retest over there, can't stay in this rising wedge, and broke to the downside. So the next price targets for this level would be all the way down here at, when we are looking at this horizontal line, the first would be at 22,600 US dollars, maybe a little bit here at 22,700 US dollars, but would be all the way up down to, yes, 3% to the downside, and the next price target would be here at 5% to the downside, 22,300 US dollar levels. So these are the next levels. I will also looking maybe also for a new buy position, because when we are looking here at this chart, it would be gave us here a little big resistance area, a support area, because we see here it was resisted, here it was support, here it was support, then it turned in resisted level, then we have support level, support level, support level. And so we can also see maybe this move to the downside, which is also pointing out with the RSI, and then we can maybe also move to the upside, because when we are breaking this resistance level or this support level to the downside, we also broke our higher level structures, our higher high structure to the downside, and that is also the next bearish price move when we are also breaking this price area of 22,500 US dollars. But I also want to show you the chart what I found also on Twitter. So when we're also looking here, we can zoom a little bit in. So we zoom a little bit closer. So this is the actual structure we have also seen here at our chart here at when we're looking here at the S&P 500, and at 2008 we have also seen the same structure here as we are at the current mood. So if this also play out, we would see a rally up to the downside at the S&P 500, and this is also one thing that also can happen, that the whole market do the same direction. And when we're talking about the whole market, we're talking also about the crypto market, and that is also the reason why it's not so far away, that we are a little close, that is not far away, that we are also reaching this price target of 17 to 18,000 US dollars on the Bitcoin structure. So we must definitely be cautious if this rising wedge is playing out to our price target here at the downsides. But there's also one thing in the whole crypto market that means that we can also get directly in our rising wedge. So when we are looking here at the chart again, is that when we're looking on the altcoins, maybe here on Helios was performing so crazy in the last days. So when we're looking here, so first of all congratulations and all people who took the trade of Helios or accumulate Helios at this area in the last months, because you can see from the lowest point to this level over here, more than 180% to the upside. So by myself, I also bought some Helios here over there, and I was in the last days over 100% in profit. So that is also one thing, that the altcoins are performing so good. When we're looking here back at the past of Helios, we have also seen that Helios has in the last bull run from the downwards move over 25,000% to the upside. So if this also playing out in next time, we can also see Helios up to this price level of $20. But for this, we must also be cautious. We must wait for the next month, because if Helios do this move again, the whole crypto market, the whole amount of the crypto market must be going up, and let's see what the next time will bring us. But for the for the short time here for Bitcoin, it's looking not that good, because we are here in this rising wedge. And when we are looking on the weekly chart on our parabolic curve, we can see very clearly that we are outside of the parabolic curve. So we see here that we can see here we broke this, we retested this, and if we retested something, maybe we go lower and lower. So it would be all the way possible that we can see lower prices in the next days, in the next weeks. And also, if we are not coming back inside of our parabolic curve, we can also see in the next months more lower prices over there. And this is also the end of this video from today. So thank you for leaving a like, to set a comment, and also to follow this account. We are straight on the way to 1,000 followers. So definitely, if you're new to the channel, leave a thumbs up, leave a subscription down below, and then we see in the next one tomorrow.